Hey guys, what's up? This is Mohit Best from Fit India. So this video is about questions and answers. आप में से बहुत लोग मुझसे questions पूछ रहे थे मेरे Instagram, YouTube, Facebook and through email. So I picked up 15 questions that were being asked by you guys again and again. So I have picked up 15 questions, and without wasting any time, let's start. So the first question is from Mayank, and he asked me, Mohit, why do you use Muscle Blaze? It's not safe. Why do you use it? So Mayank, I use Muscle Blaze basically because it's cheap. I'm a student, I don't have much spare money, and इसलिए मैं cheaper option के साथ जाना चाहता हूँ, but I want to ensure that it has good quality. So Muscle Blaze is approved by FSSAI, that is Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, and that's how I know that it's safe to use. It's cheap, that's why I use it. I don't get paid by Muscle Blaze for sponsoring it, nothing like that. It's just that it's cheap, it fits my budget. That's the only reason I use it. If given an opportunity, I might use other brands as well. I have used other brand. I have used Ultimate Nutrition, but it's a little expensive, so that's why I don't use it anymore. Second question is, what sources of protein are there for vegetarians? This question is from Abhinav. For vegetarians, I have uploaded a video for protein sources. I am adding a card at the top of this video. Click on it and you'll get to know. There are many sources. Yeah, I have explained everything in detail there, so check out that video. Third question is from Yogesh, and it's about how do you stay motivated and dedicated to stay on your diet. When I'm bulking, it's pretty easy because I eat a lot of food, and there's nothing like being on track with my diet, because मेरे घर में जैसे जो भी बना होता है, I eat that, and apart from that I cook my own food like chicken, eggs. I take my protein shakes, and I take cheat meals here and there. So when I'm bulking, it's not something of concern. But when I'm cutting, the idea is just stay on track, just keep your diet intact for 1 week. If you're able to go a whole week by staying on track, then it'll get easier. पहला week सबसे मुश्किल होता है because you're not used to it, and if you're able to pass week 1, then I think after that it will be easy. So just try and be on track with your diet for 1 week, and after 1 week award yourself with a cheat meal, one cheat meal per week. Then again another week. The second week will be easier, then again award yourself with a cheat meal. That's how you do it. Question number 4, this is from Amrit. Why don't you make videos in Hindi completely? Yeah, that's I wanted to ask you guys, क्या आप चाहते हैं कि मैं अपनी वीडियोस completely हिंदी में बनाऊं या पूरी इंग्लिश में बनाऊं या mixture of Hindi and English? I was actually pretty confused because first I thought let's make it in Hindi, but some guys were saying that we are from South India and we don't understand Hindi that well, so they were asking me to make my videos in English. And then some guys were saying that make it in Hindi, and one guy suggested me to make Hindi English mixture of Hindi and English. So help me out guys, let me know in the comments below in which language I should make my videos. Question number, it's so hot. Question number 5, this is from Rishabh. He asked me, Mohit, can I eat 100 grams of soya chunks on Tuesdays and Thursdays when I cannot eat like non-vegetarian stuff or eggs? So yeah, in India, people don't eat chicken or any non-veg product on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and many don't even eat that on Saturdays. So on those days, what you can do is, yes, you can eat soya chunks or soy paneer, that is tofu, etc., etc. And the question is, people don't eat soy products because there's a lot of debate that उससे आपके testosterone levels कम हो जाते हैं. I used to think of it in the same way, but according to the research, if you're consuming like 20 grams, 25 grams of protein from soy products every day, then there will be no dip in your testosterone levels. There has been a research about it, and if you're working out and you're taking 20-25 grams of protein from soy products, it's absolutely normal. So yes, Rishabh, you can eat soy chunks on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Question number 6 is, what supplements should I take to increase size? This question is from Asif. First of all, पता है इंडिया में आपको ये मेंटालिटी जो है वो चेंज करने की ज़रूरत है सबसे पहले कि सप्लीमेंट्स से आपका कुछ होने वाला है. सप्लीमेंट्स देखो कुछ नहीं करेंगे. सपोज आपको 150 ग्राम्स ऑफ प्रोटीन डेली लेना है, आप 50 ग्राम्स आप उससे ले रहे हो, ठीक है, प्रोटीन सप्लीमेंट से, तो बाकी 100 ग्राम्स तो आप डाइट से ही लोगे ना. तो प्राइमरी मेन चीज़ क्या हुई? डाइट. सप्लीमेंट सेकेंडरी हुई. तो ये चीज़ आपको समझनी है कि दैट सप्लीमेंट्स आर ए सेकेंडरी थिंग. आप उस पर इतना फोकस मत करो. द ओनली टू I am able to increase my size, I am able to cut my body fat, and I only take 2 major supplements, that is protein and creatine. That's all. So मैं अपनी progress protein या creatine को नहीं देता हूँ. It's basically because of diet. Because tomorrow if I'm not able to take these supplements, I'll still be able to increase my size or lose body fat. It just they help me in a better way. That's why I take it. तो उस पर आप focus ना करें आसिफ. Just focus on your diet. Figure out आपको muscle build करना है या आपको body fat lose करना है. उस हिसाब से आपकी डाइट चेंज होगी. एंड या फिगर इट आउट फॉर योरसेल्फ. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 इज, व्हाट विल हैपन टू आवर बॉडी इफ वी डिसकंटिन्यू जिम? दिस क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम सैम. सो यू नो, इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू वर्क आउट, इफ यू हैव टू लीव जिम for whatever reason, so what will happen is that you'll lose your muscles if you're consuming less calories after you left gym, or if you're consuming more calories you'll get a little fat. So you know, किसी की लाइफ में कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, कुछ भी उनकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज हो सकती है. तो ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है हर बंदा एवरी डे लाइक दे कैन गो टू अ जिम. आप हफ्ते में 3 दिन भी अगर वर्कआउट कर सकते हो, आई थिंक दैट्स ओके इफ यू वांट टू स्टे फिट. इट्स गुड. सैटरडे संडे सबकी छुट्टी होती है. यू कैन वर्कआउट ऑन सैटरडेज एंड संडे. अगर आप जिम अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते हैं तो यू कैन वर्कआउट एट योर होम. आप पार्क्स जा सकते हैं, वहाँ पे आप चिनअप्स एंड पुशअप्स कर सकते हैं, स्प्रिंट्स कर सकते हैं. सो एक्सक्यूजेज अगर आपको बनाने हो तो आप कुछ भी बना सकते हो. बट इफ़ यू एक्चुअली वांट टू बी फिट, आई मीन यू कैन डू इट फॉर फ्री. ऐसा नहीं है आपको जिम जाना है फिट होने के लिए, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. यू कैन बी फिट विदाउट इवन ज्वाइनिंग अ जिम. सो दैट्स योर आंसर. Question number 8 is, how many egg yolks to consume in a day? This question is from Rohan. Egg yolks is the yellow portion of the egg. You know, when I'm bulking, I take around 3 egg yolks a day. Like, if I'm consuming 5-6 eggs, so 3 will be whole eggs and 3 will be just egg whites. And you know, even when I'm cutting, I try to take at least 2 egg yolks a day. And you know, लोगों को लगता है कि egg yolk that is fat and we should not consume it, but in that yellow portion of the egg we have good fats in there which is good for our body, for hormone production, you know, for a good skin, for your brain, etc. It's good for your body, and I think you should at least add 1 or 2 egg yolks in your diet every day. Next question is question number 9. This question is from Roshan, and he asked me that, Mohit, my trainer is asking me to take steroids, and he's saying that you cannot have a good body without using steroids. What to do? You know, Roshan, do one thing, just go to your trainer and ask him to fuck off, because obviously he's not, you know, qualified enough to be a trainer. Because if a trainer is asking you to take steroids and your purpose is not to compete in any bodybuilding competition, then he's just, you know, trying to destroy your life. Because steroids अगर ये लोग लेते हैं, you know, if they're competing, then it makes a little sense, because in the bodybuilding competitions में everyone is taking it. So if you are not taking it, then you will obviously be behind them, you won't be able to win. So वहाँ अगर आप steroids ले रहे हो समझ आता है, but आप normally, you know, just so that you can look good, you're taking steroids, you're taking a shortcut, doesn't make much sense to me. And आपके ट्रेनर ने steroids लेके बॉडी बनाई है, इसलिए उन्हें अगर ऐसा लग रहा है कि सिर्फ steroid लेकर ही you can have a decent body, then he's obviously wrong. So you can ask him to fuck off. And Roshan, please just stay on your diet. आप figure out करो कि अभी आपको bulk करना है, cut करना है, उसी according आप अपनी diet plan करो, अपनी calories count करो. If you're really serious about it, it's not very difficult to get the body you want naturally. It's just that it takes a little more time than, you know, taking steroids, but it's the right way. So just stay on your track and don't think about steroids. Question number 10. How often do you take cheat meals and what kind of cheat meals do you have? This question is from Yogesh. Um, when I'm bulking, it's like 3-4 cheat meals a week, and I try to fit it in my macronutrients. So if you guys don't know about macronutrients, just leave it behind. It's just that 3-4 cheat meals when I'm bulking, and when I'm cutting, around 2 cheat meals per week. Yeah, 2 cheat meal per week. And what do I have in my cheat meals? I go to my first option is always Burger King. I'll go to Burger King. I'll have that Whopper meal, chicken Whopper meal. My second option is McDonald's. I'll have McChicken meal. Third option is Domino's, cheese burst, obviously, but I only go to Domino's when they have 1+1 offer. I like to save that money. So yeah, that's the answer there. So question number 11 is, how do you stay motivated? This question is from Rishabh. It's a little bit difficult to answer this question. मैं ऐसे सोचता हूँ कि I know building a good physique naturally is very much possible. I know that. So, my attitude is, if it's possible to do it naturally, why cannot I do it? I've seen a lot of guys do it naturally. So I think that I can also do it. And that's how I stay motivated, because, I have been good in sports during my lifetime. I was good at cricket. I am good at cricket. I'm good at football, various sports. So, I have that, that attitude that, yeah, I can do it. So I know that building a good physique naturally is possible. So I think that if it's possible, it is possible naturally. So I can do it. It's difficult, obviously. You can just take steroids. There's one way, but the other way is difficult. It's time consuming, but it's possible. And with this thinking, I stay motivated. I stay motivated to hit the gym like 5 days a week. And even in the future, if I don't get time to actually go to the gym 5 days or 6 days a week, even if I get to go to a gym once or twice a week, I will do it, because that's how motivated I am to be to be called in the fitness community. So that's how I stay motivated. That's question number 11. Good question, Rishabh. Next question number 12 is, what if I take protein now and while I'm working out, and what if I stop taking protein in future? This question is from Vineet. So it doesn't matter. Protein supplement से आपको क्या मिल रहा है? आपको प्रोटीन मिल रहा है. So सपोज आप चिकन खा रहे हो, आज आप चिकन खा रहे हो, आप वर्कआउट कर रहे हो, कल आप वर्कआउट नहीं कर रहे हो, आप चिकन नहीं खा रहे हो, कुछ फर्क पड़ेगा नहीं ना. तो प्रोटीन सप्लीमेंट्स भी आज आप खा रहे हो, आप वर्कआउट कर रहे हो, आप नहीं बाद में वर्कआउट कर रहे हो, फिर खा रहे हो, फिर मतलब आपने छोड़ दिया खाना, तो कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा बॉडी को. लोग कहते हैं कि आपकी बॉडी लटक जाएगी. मेरे को समझ नहीं आता पहली बार इसका मतलब क्या, लटक जाओगे आप, ऐसे क्या है ये? मतलब लोग फालतू बातें करते हैं, एंड इस बात में कोई सेंस नहीं होता. मेरे को समझ नहीं आई आज तक ये बात. सो आई थिंक यू गॉट द आंसर, विनीत. Next question is, man, it's so hot. Next question is, which creatine to use and when to use it? This question is from Prince. And yeah, Prince. Which creatine to use? Use any brand if the brand is approved by FSSAI. It fits your budget. Use it. And when to use creatine? Take 5 grams of creatine every day, whenever you think it's fine for you, whenever you think it's feasible for you. Take it at any time, but what I do is I take 1 hour before I work out. You can take it after your workout, anytime basically. Just take 5 grams every day. Some people, go through that loading phase. They'll take 15 grams creatine for 1 week and then they'll go back to 5 grams every day. You can do that. Or you can just take 5 grams every day. And yeah, I take 5 grams every day, even on the days when I'm not working out. So now it's question number 14, and question number 14 is, why have you stopped taking multivitamins? It is the most important supplement. This question is from Akshay. In one of my videos, in my cutting diet video, I showed you guys that I'm using multivitamin supplement. and in the other video when I showed you guys my supplement stack, उसमें मैंने multivitamin नहीं दिखाया क्योंकि मैं multivitamin उस time नहीं ले रहा था. So the reason is that, you know, when I'm bulking, I eat a lot of food, I use a lot of variety of food, like carbohydrates I take from different sources, oats, potatoes, fruits. So, you know, I eat a lot of variety of food, so I'm getting a lot of vitamins from the food itself. So I don't need to take multivitamin supplement. And even while I'm cutting, you know, I try to get my nutrition from a variety of food so that I can get a lot of vitamins from it. These are the micronutrients that we guys ignore. So when you're bulking, I would never suggest using a multivitamin, and rather I would suggest that use a variety of food. When you're cutting, if you're eating the same kind of food every day, then you may use a multivitamin supplement. Otherwise you don't need it. That's why I stopped taking multivitamin, because कहने को तो सारे सप्लीमेंट इंपॉर्टेंट है. आप किसी भी सप्लीमेंट के बारे में इंटरनेट पे पढ़ोगे या उसके पैकेज पे पढ़ोगे तो उसमें ऐसी कुछ बात जरूर लिखी होगी जिससे आपको लगे कि हाँ यार ये तो इंपॉर्टेंट है. ऑब्वियसली वो इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं, बट आप अगर डाइट से वही बेनिफिट अगर आप ले सकते हो तो आप क्यों सप्लीमेंट की तरफ जाओगे. फॉर एग्जांपल आप प्रोटीन सप्लीमेंट ले रहे हैं, आपको सपोज आप 150 ग्राम्स ऑफ प्रोटीन इजीली अपनी डाइट से एवरी डे ले सकते हैं और आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट भी 150 ग्राम्स ऑफ प्रोटीन पर डे है, और आप दबा के रोज चिकन खाते हैं, आप दबा के एग्स खाते हैं, तो यू डोंट नीड टू टेक अ प्रोटीन सप्लीमेंट. सिंपल. अगर आप वो चीज़ वो कमी अपनी डाइट से पूरी कर सकते हो तो सप्लीमेंट्स यू नो आर नॉट नेसेसरी फॉर यू. सो यू हैव टू फिगर आउट फॉर योरसेल्फ व्हाट सप्लीमेंट्स यू नीड, एंड ट्राई यही करें कि सप्लीमेंट से ना आपको यूज़ करना पड़े. आप डाइट से जितने न्यूट्रिएंट्स ले सकते हो लो, देन थिंक अबाउट सप्लीमेंट्स. ऑलराइट. So Akshay, I think you got your answer. So the last question is from Saurabh, and it says, Mohit, what is your transformation story? So a month ago, a month or two ago, I posted my transformation video, and my story is that, you know, when I was in school, I was good at every sport that was being played in a school. I mean, not just good, I was the best. And मैं अपने मुंह से अपनी तारीफ नहीं कर रहा हूँ, but you know, I mean it. Cricket, football, badminton, volleyball, I played every sport and I was very good at it. And you know, I was very lean, I had abs, और कोई भी physical activity होती थी हमारे स्कूल में, I was there. Mohit Best was the first name that popped in everyone's mind. But you know, in 11th and 12th standard, I was very studious as well, and I got so much indulged in studies because tuitions होते थे. तो मेरा sports activities जितनी थी वो एकदम से ही कम हो गई, बहुत ज़्यादा कम हो गई. And I gained a lot of weight, 15-20 kgs, I don't know, maybe more. And you know, I was very unfit, but मैंने ये realize नहीं करा, because सबके मन में अभी भी वो picture थी कि मोहित बेस्ट is very good at sports, he is very fit. So in 12th standard, you know, मेरा एक friend था, and वो बहुत फिटनेस को लेके बहुत, वो पढ़ता लिखता नहीं था ज़्यादा, वो फिटनेस को लेके बहुत ज़्यादा you know enthusiastic रहता था. तो he asked me कि मोहित, let's race. तो हमारी 100-150 मीटर्स की रेस हुई, एंड सबको जितने भी लोग थे मेरे फ्रेंड्स बाकी जो देख रहे थे, एंड दे यू नो दे सेड दैट मोहित बेस्ट ही जीतेगा, बिकॉज सबके मन में भी वो पिक्चर थी कि आई वाज द फिटेस्ट गाय इन द स्कूल. एंड आई लॉस्ट द रेस बाय अ मार्जिन ऑफ लाइक 15 meters, at least 15-20 meters. And that day it struck me that how unfit I was. You know, मेरे को एकदम से realization हुई कि I am very unfit. मैंने 15-20 kilos gain करा, and I was at the worst of my physical potential. And उसके बाद I gave my 12th board exams. I passed with good percentage. Then after my last exam, पहले ही दिन एग्जाम के नेक्स्ट डे I woke up at 5 AM. I went jogging, sprints, push-ups, and I did all that stuff. I drank a lot of milk, बहुत सारे एग्स, मतलब 3-4 एग्स ऐसे ही कच्चे पी जाना, जो भी मेरे को उस वक्त सही लगता था, आई डिड इट. एंड आफ्टर दैट यू नो, मैं जिम के बहुत एंटी था कि नहीं जिम नहीं जाऊँगा, ना ऐसे ही रहूँगा. बट थोड़े टाइम बाद अपने भाई को देख के आई जॉइंड अ जिम, एंड देन थोड़े 1-2 months किया, एंड देन धीरे धीरे इट बिकेम एन एडिक्शन व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड सीइंग रिजल्ट्स. देन जिम जाने के बाद भी 1.5 year I gained a lot of size, but you know, I got muscular, but I still had a lot of fat in my body. And dhire dhire, you know, I got to learn a lot of things, a lot of new things. I learned a lot about nutrition, which is the most important thing. And now You guys have seen my pictures. You know how I look. So that's my story, and that's how I transformed myself, and I feel very proud of myself now, and I think I did it naturally, obviously. So मेरा यही है कि if I can do it, then you can do it too. That's why I started this YouTube channel, because मुझे पता है इंडिया में there are a lot of unfit people, and जिन्हें लगता है कि जिम जाना is about steroids and just lifting weights. No, it's about general fitness, and anyone can achieve it if you put your mind into it. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you have more questions, then do ask me. I'll do more of such videos if you want. And thank you so much for following me, following Fit India, and more I promise you, I have a lot of content on my mind, and a lot of informational videos is going to come to this channel, and just be prepared. And yeah, देख लो मैं इतनी गर्मी में विदाउट AC बिना चलाए आपके लिए ये जितने भी मिनट की वीडियो है ये बनाई है. So that's the effort I'm putting into, so that I can give you good content. So let me know how, if you like this video or not. I'll try to modify it, and I'll do more of question and answer videos later. And thank you so much for following. Keep lifting. Bye. Please follow this channel. Please subscribe if you have not already subscribed, and do share it with your friends. And one more thing that I want to ask you guys is that, do you guys think that I should open a Facebook page for Fit India as well? Because Facebook page से आपको directly पता लग जाएगा कब videos upload हो रही है, because people are very active on Facebook. YouTube subscription पे भी mail आता है, but I don't think people check their emails. I check it, but I don't think you guys do. So let me know if you think that I should open a Facebook page. That's it. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video, and I promise you awesome content coming to this channel. So subscribe and keep an eye on it. Bye. Take care.